In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to sell your cryptocurrency on Binance. It is a simple process, so let's get started. Open the Binance app and from the homepage, tap on the wallet section. Here, you'll see all the cryptocurrencies you currently hold. Go back to homepage and use the search bar to find the specific crypto you want to sell. For example, if you are selling Dogecoin, type Doge, D-O-G-E, into the search bar. Select the coin and its trading page will open. At the top of the screen, you will see the trading pair, such as Doge/USDT. Ensure you've selected the correct trading pair, like USDT, for the crypto you want to receive. On the trading page, you will notice two main options at the bottom, buy and sell. Tap on sell to proceed. Then enter the amount of crypto you want to sell. You can either enter a specific amount manually, use the slider bar to sell a percentage of your holdings, like 25%, 50%, or 100%. You'll see the estimated amount you'll receive in USDT based on the current market rate. After reviewing the details, click on Sell to complete your transaction. And that's it. You've successfully sold your cryptocurrency on Binance in just a few steps.